Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are ready: Vscode, Chrome, and the Chrome Debugger extension. Open your project folder now and set 1 or 2 breakpoints so you can verify the connection. Next, create or open a Vscode folder, add a launch JSON to configure the debugger. This is where you tell VS Code how to talk to Chrome. Once done, you prepare the browser launch command and the URL to test, so the debugger has a target to connect to. Now you edit launch JSON with precise fields, set the debug type to Chrome, specify the page URL and web root to map source files, and choose a port like 9222. Add runtime args to start Chrome with remote debugging port equals 9222 and user data dir equals some temp dir so it won't use your main profile. This step links VS Code source maps to the running tab. Make sure the web root matches where your served files live, otherwise breakpoints won't bind correctly. Finally, start the debugger from VS Code and observe Chrome open to your app. You should hit breakpoints and see variables in the debug sidebar. If you don't, refresh and look at the debug console for connection errors. Make sure source maps are enabled in your build so TypeScript or transpiled code maps correctly. If problems persist, close extra Chrome instances, confirm the remote port matches, and disable conflicting extensions. This usually resolves the remaining issues and restores a reliable debug session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.